So, many ways. If you are a man, you're always testing drive to your woman. Some are because of financial. Some you will be tested by the financial. Do you agree with that, guys? If you don't agree, tell me in the comment. If you don't agree about most men are testing alarm ko yan. That's alarm for for calling the kids na. Mao na ni ron. Dami nating alarm no. Pick up for the kids. But today it's my holiday, guys. It's a Buddhist day. So it's a worshipping of the Buddhist day. So no work. So today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay on the bed. Okay. Testing drive. Testing the drive in a relationship means assessing the level of effort, commitment, and enthusiasm both partners bring to the table. Here are some ways to evaluate the drive in a relationship, in your relationship. Number one, communication. Observe how openly and honestly you both communicate. Is it effortless or do you struggle to express yourself? That's communication. Number two, initiative. Notice who takes the initiative in planning dates, solving problems, or making decisions. Is it one-sided or mutual? So yan, that's the test drive. Hello everyone from Brother Mark. Yes, you need to see how she responds to different situations, especially with different cultures. Yes, Brother Mark. Agree to that. And then, number three, effort. Evaluate the effort you both put into the relationship. Do you both go to the extra mile or is lacking? Yan. Number four, responsiveness. Pay attention to how quickly you respond to each other's needs, messages, or calls. Is it prompt or do you keep each other waiting? Yan guys, you have to remember for that. So that's how the test drive happening. Number four, responsiveness. Number five, compromise. Assess your ability to find common ground and compromise. Is it a struggle or do you work together seamlessly? Compromise. Number six, support. Notice how you support each other's goals, dreams, and aspirations. Is it genuinely and enthusiastic? That's support. Number seven, intimacy. Evaluate the emotional and physical intimacy in your relationship. Is it fulfilling or does it feel lacking? So that's intimacy, number seven. Number eight, conflict resolution. Observe how you handle conflicts. Is it constructive or do you avoid discussing issues? So, ayan. That's how the test drive will be, it's conflict resolution. You don't sleep in the bed without, without being okay, if you have fights or something you don't understand, like any discussing. Number nine, trust. Assess the level of trust you have in each other. Is it strong or do doubts linger? That's trust. You have to check for that. Number 10, growth. Notice if you both encourage personal growth and development. Is it a priority or does it feel stagnant? How does your relationship? Nag-growth pa o wala? So guys, reflecting on these aspects will help you understand the drive in your relationship and identify areas for improvement. Remember, relationships are a journey and nurturing the drive is essential for a healthy and fulfilling partnership. Trust is so important for Mother Mark. Yeah. The culture and languages. Yeah, mag tayo.